So see this? This is my new exhaust. I just got it. Patience is key, my friends. Basically have gotten one thing done to my car, which is an intake. I did the intake, a Kalob intake, and I bought the Kalob access port, and it is amazing. I love it. My car is too quiet, but due to the California law that's going around, I didn't want to go too crazy. I got the MagnaFlow Cat back exhaust. I heard cool things about it. Nothing crazy, nothing weak. I'm going to my friend Alex. He owns a shop, Integrated Performance, and we're gonna see what happens there. I got my access port too. I'm not getting a downpipe, so it shouldn't really do nothing crazy, but me just being cautious, I rather ask all the questions I need because that is important. I don't care who you are. No one knows everything. I am gonna go right now to pick up my friend Kalob. He's just gonna be my supporter today, so let's go. So really what you notice, you can't hear anything, but sometimes my intake, you can hear that car. There are some times where I do like to hear a little rumble. So that's personally why I'm getting the exhaust. I'm tired of being in a quiet car. I don't know, I really want an exhaust, and thanks to Nolan, I got one. Yeah. I'm just letting you guys kind of hear what I sound like, but if you really think about it, you can hear every other car but mine. That's it. That's it. It sounds cute, but I want more, and that is exactly why I am doing this.
Why is this car so dirty? Oh,
It's my whole car.
you can put that on yourself.
Yeah. What are we doing? I'll give you the same one but smaller.